Watch how I achieve this amala and eba swallow. This is my garri, this is my flour for my amala. I poured it to my hot water and I'm going to just mix. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. So I added hot water and I will continue the mixing. So now that everything has come together, I will just add hot water from the kettle. And I will cover it and cook it on a low heat for 7 minutes. So yes, after 7 minutes, I will just stir and stir. Add water the way you like. So this is the consistency that I like. Feel free to add more water or to add less water depending on how you want your amala swallow to be. So I'll continue doing this until everything is totally combined. So here the amala is ready. I'll just put in a fling and I'll wrap it and set aside while I go make the eba swallow. So here is my hot water. I'll pour the garri inside. I'll just give it a good stir and a good mix. If you have watched to this extent, thank you for watching. My returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you'll be the first to be notified. If you can share me out, kindly share me out. I would really appreciate that. Do check my videos for other videos. So here I added a slime of water and I covered and cooked it for another low heat for 1 second. So here I'm just giving it a good stir so that my eba swallow will not be lumpy. So this is it. I'll continue until everything is smooth. So here is ready. I'll put in a fling and I will mold. I enjoyed my eba with egusi soup while I enjoyed my amala with ogbono soup. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.